Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. A new Samsung Galaxy Watch is expected to launch later this year, although we don't know whether it will be the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 or next generation Galaxy Watch Active. We don't have any fresh leaks letting us know Samsung Watch basic features. According to it from the Ice Universe, who supplies good some of Samsung leaks, the next generation Galaxy Watch will replace Tizen with Android. This means Galaxy Watch could be making a jump from the Samsung's wearable OS to Google's Wear OS. Wear OS is popular among smaller smartwatch makers like Fossil, Huawei, and TicWatch. But device running on Wear OS having historically lack of powerful processors and advanced fitness tracking features offered by Apple with watchOS and Samsung with Tizen OS. Another leak from Sam Mobile, a reliable source on all things Samsung, suggests at least two new Galaxy watches are released this year. Samsung's upcoming smartwatch will probably launch alongside with a new Galaxy smartphone at the next Unpack event, although it's still too far to know which phones or which event taking place. Rumor has it the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 will headline the event, possibly replacing the Note series. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 release date and price. It's very likely that the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 will be announced in August of this year. There are not any release date rumors yet. As for what the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 might cost, there are not any rumors, but it might will be the similar to the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, which start at the $399 for the similar 41 model and $449 for the larger 45 one, with the price rising in both cases if you want LTE connectivity. Talking about the news and leaks, there are a few things that we can predict. Based on the previous models, it's likely that the Galaxy Watch 4 will be available in two different sizes. Optionally comes with the LTE. In all cases comes with the heart rate monitor, an ECG, GPS and circular AMOLED screen. It will also almost certainly run Tizen and comes with the variety of exercise and activity tracking features